studying all this management subject, so I just want to ask you people, why are we doing this like management? After all, we are going to get a job in corporate world. Does this MBA really helps us in like grooming ourselves or our professionalism or our management concepts? What do you think, sir?
I would like to add here, like today what Professor said us, what he told us that MBAs are known as for making good PPTs and using lots of jargons. I would say it is yes, but this is not only MBA. I would say like MBA is a platform for the students where they can enhance their skills. Like a person is having leadership skills, entrepreneur skills. What he can do, he can join an MBA class. He can show his skills to the world, to those companies, and I would say to the world, and he can enhance them also. What do you think, Karishma?
See, what I think, MBA means the Master of Business Administration. So what I personally think, it's that we learn how a business runs, what are the strategies, and what are the business plans. So that if as you are talking about entrepreneurship, so if somewhere in our life we go through it, so we cannot mistake that we cannot do that mistakes which the other companies have done in the previous past years. Because as Jatika pointed out, we have learned through many case studies. We have gone through many case studies which are talking about the mistakes and the planning, how they are competing with their other organizations. So
yeah, and not only case study, I would say by internship also. We got a chance to go in the real world in which we want to go.
But now
we get a chance to go there.
Okay. And now I would like to put up a question. Like people who have already done jobs or are working in corporate offices, I am very much sure that they read all this. They just need to enroll themselves in some websites and they'll get all the case studies. The IBS is there, then Harvard Business School is there. You can get the.
I really
case
appreciate
studies
your point.
and then you just read it. And there are so many other professional courses like one year courses. Then why only MBA that you have come here to
see?
choose
After reading a case, what the basic need a person wants, you want to discuss with someone, and having a professor like someone who is an excellent guy in that particular case study or particular stream. I would say he can give you the real value of that case study.
And
like a case study from a Harvard, I would say it really matters. We cannot just read and throw it. We need to get the best of the learning from out of it. So we need such kind of professors which can really.
I get your point, but what I want to say is why only MBA? Why not other management programs that 1 year diploma and all? Why not that? And like as discussed, all the business leaders are not MBAs. Do you accept this point?
Yeah, I do.
Now, if you are saying in professionalism also, if in some corporate office you are going, you can read up the case studies and there's so many experienced people well off with so many experiences they have to discuss and share about. So why not with them? Why only doctors? Why only professors? You have to come and discuss with them, sit in the class, share experiences. Like just you have one class, you have one platform. You can say yes, I'm going to sit here and then I'm going to share my views and topics. Why not in corporate offices you share?
see, Vipul, sorry to interrupt you, but Chaitra, I want to answer you this question. See, it's enough that we can read at home, we can read in corporate office. Then in case studies, what we need to analyze, what all things are the important points. You cannot just read through it. You have
That's
to
what I'm saying.
analyze
That
the
discuss
important
it with
points.
people.
Yes,
There are so
actually,
many
see,
case studies, solutions given on the internet. Just go through it. Everybody does not have this resources and
See, Jatika, in
internet
college, I
won't
would
be
say.
enough.
get
Internet
into it.
won't be enough.
Like
These
your learning skills
professors are
only
actually
from
professionals.
And we are
They
also
are
here.
experienced
We can-
and they do make us see from a different point of view altogether.
Okay, tell me one more thing. I would like to add on this thing. That do you think that MBA is good, or have some experience and then come for executive MBA?
See, it's not like anything is good in particular. It's the way
what
how
is-
you look at it.
Like
And actually,
like what?
the thing which matter is management course. It is executive MBA or it's a core MBA.
So that's today also professor once said that MBA is what about? All these things you are doing day and night in your corporate business world.
But do we really
each and
realize that
every
we are doing all
activity,
these things?
You are just coming here and putting those activities into some jargons.
Lee, if I take an example of a shopkeeper, a kirana shop owner,
He's
he's
also
doing
doing it.
everything, but
He does not know.
but he's aware that he's doing all these things which really adds a value to him. He's doing for the sake that all of them are doing this. But he's really aware of all these things, what actually he's doing.
So don't
He
you
will
think
come
that
aware
MBA
all
is a
of these.
very beaten up word in today's scenario?
Come again, sorry?
MBA is a
Yes,
very
yes, it
beaten up and criticized word in today's scenario. Every now and then, if you ask somebody, "What are you doing MBA?" So how does it create a value? I just want to discuss upon this.
See,
See, that's what I
when-
had told you before also. that
Sorry,
if-
Vipul.
Okay.
See, when company need to hire you, what they ask for the MBA.
They don't ask for
It's not
only
easy
MBA.
matter.
There's
See,
so
it's
many
sort of a
other
trend.
equivalent degrees are also there.
Then
Yeah,
the-
you're
Equivalent
right,
degrees are
Radhika.
also there.
But
It's sort
MBA
of a
you
trend
cannot say.
these days. If you see most of the engineers these days, they opt for MBA. Why do they do it?
See, I agree to your point. Qualification obviously add on everywhere, but why only MBA? Why not other management courses like 1 year certificate programs are there? So many programs are there.
Even distance
diploma.
education is also there.
They're there. You go to US 1 year course management certificate program they will provide you. And that's more than enough.
Yeah, like
Okay,
we're talking
like-
about the management courses also, and why MBA I would say, like we can study the things at our home also, but do you get a chance to talk to the best management guys there?
No, I am
You will
not
get- do
not
you-
at all
okay.
disagreeing to this point. You cannot study at home. I am talking about if you're working and you're discussing and if in each and every bit you're exploring, then what is the need of MBA? You can just take up small programs. What is the need of spending 12 lakhs and 14 lakhs year and just sitting in the class and doing MBA? How does it add value to it?
See, Jatika, I would say that yes, you are true. If I'm doing a work in a real business world, I will get lots of experience. But that experience, I would say, doing an MBA will add a value to my experience. Like what I was doing, I will do that thing in a professional way now. Like before, what my manager was saying, I was just taking orders. But now I will think the things on my own. I will work on my own. I will make my own
You'll
strategies.
be able to.
MBA will give me that touch,
Yes.
that crisp in me.
So you want to say that MBA will give you a refined resources at one place only. That
Yes.
in
And if I
other
take example of one of the best college of our India, IIM, like we are here in IIM Indore campus. I
We
would
have been
say
experiencing the classes.
classes,
7 days we
the
have
way the
here.
faculty teach here, I would say it's enormous learning in only 1 hour. The way they teach us.
So we should like come to a conclusion like okay, MBA is what? It will give you a refined accumulated resources at one point at one level, and so that you can just all the management concepts in one in very defined way you can learn and discuss, and so many other things are there which you can learn in MBA.
And I
It
would say
gives
not
us
only for the
even
jargons and the
crisp
PPTs.
thinking.
We
Not
are
only
there to
for
learn
the-
many things.
Yes.
And to come
When
up
we
with the
take,
concepts.
see, we have several kind of visits also. It may be a field visit, it may be a rural visit. What are those
Surveys.
about? Yes, surveys. So, what are those about? Those are nothing but they just want you to experience how is it like in the real world out there. In the middle of your course, you get to have internships also. What is it about? For the same reason.
Overall, it just provides a crisp thinking. So that
Yes.
we can have just do not need to wander everywhere for we let the mistakes to happen in the organization. Then we'll go. We just have
High-ended,
a good
insightful
In
strategy.
short,
vision that
the MBA
give you.
program will help you to develop intellectually. So this is our discussions on it.
Yeah.
So MBA is like high insight and high vision, accumulated concepts that it will be giving you at one point of time.
And the exact strategy what the business should be going. What I think. And for that only we are here in IIM Indore. Otherwise we would have also taken some other courses. Why to join this IIM only?
Why are we-
We are here interacting with some good professors. Even today we were as we attended the class of Professor Ashish sir, who's best in the brand management. So
Jatika, are you happy with the MBA course now?
Yeah, I was always happy with it. I just wanted to give a discussion and a thought on it that why are we here?